Today, I'll show you how to open the practice arena on FC25. So begin by launching the game and accessing the home page. This is the home page. Then from here, select Learn to Play. And then within Learn to Play options, go and find Practice Arena. So select it. And from here, you'll be able to access Practice Arena. So before you begin, you'll be prompted to add players or remove players. So for instance, if you want to add your player from your team, just press the box button and that will add a particular player. So move the circle to any place in the pitch to add another player. Select that and move it to another area to add your player. So once you've added your player, and if you want to remove them, just highlight on the player you want to remove and press the O button. So highlight the player and press the O button, and this will remove the player. So if you want to add the opponent players, simply press the triangle button on your controller and then add the player by selecting the box button. So as you can see, I'm adding the opponent player team. So if you want to remove them as well, you follow the same procedure. Highlight the player, press the O button, and this will remove the player. So once done, press the share button, and this will begin the practice session. So that's how you add and remove players. So if you want to access the other practice arena options, just pause the game by pressing the options button on your controller. And then from here, you'll see a different options. So for instance, if you want to practice free kick, you can select free kick. And once selected, you have to position your player to the area you want to practice the free kicks from. So for instance there, and then now you can practice your free kicks. Alternatively, if you want to launch a practice match, just come to practice match, you select it, and this will launch a practice match. Additionally, if you want to change the camera settings, you can come to camera, choose the settings you prefer. Let's say, for example, end to end. Then once you go back, you'll see the camera settings has changed. If you want to change the practice difficulty, you can come to the practice difficulty option rather, and then choose the options you prefer and select it. So if you want to select the sides, which means if you want to be on the defending side, you can come here and select the sides. If you don't know which button does what on the controller, you can come to button help, and you'll see what each button does, basically. If you want to see the skill moves that you need to learn or you want to know, you can just come on skill moves, and you can see all the available skill moves. And if you want to exit, you can just come to exit, and this will exit the practice arena. And that's basically it on how to open and how to use practice arena on FC25. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.